Hi guys, welcome back to Grudy's. Wednesday night, bit of a weird day. Getting there. This is my little pile of stuff that I've got to get out of here, and a couple more boxes of tools down here, and some more shit over there. We're getting there. I'll stand at the back wall so you can have some sort of idea. The shop's nearly empty. Hoist went Saturday or Sunday, I can't remember. It's been a bit of a blur the last couple of weeks. 2 weeks of just cleaning and getting this shop ready to go. Just isn't. Sometimes you make a decision and it just backfires. This one backfired hardcore. So 2 weeks down. When I say 2 weeks down, I mean 2 weeks not making money. So very little anyway. But yeah, we did a scrap run today. We're still probably, you live and learn. Look, you've got to try ideas here and there. We're still a couple of $1,000s out of pocket just from not being able to sell enough stuff out of this shop to make our money back. And 2 weeks down, so potential of about $5,000 worth of money at least. What do you do? It's getting there. I'm nearly done. I have burnt. Anyone that watches the earlier videos, you'll realise that there was some benches here. Everything wood I smashed up, cut up and burnt. There was a desk there, burnt. There was stuff everywhere. We burnt everything that was wood. Oh, there's still some here. We might burn some of that too. We're nearly done. The fire's going at the moment. So yeah, next step is clean up some kitty litter and put them in some bins. We may have to scrape the floor. The floor's pretty bad. I'll tip some Kenko degreaser, so I'm not going to tip a petroleum-based degreaser down. I'll tip I think it's an alkaline degreaser, so it's biodegradable. And then that way we can actually clean the floor. Got to think about the environment as well. But yeah, we're just going to give it the best clean we possibly can, and how it ends up is how it ends up. But yeah, a couple other benches to get out of here. And I found a bunch of these old shocks that were in the cupboard. I found some info on 4 of them. So I have 2 sets of Mazda Capella R100, Mazda 1200, Mazda 1300 front struts. And the other ones I rang Munro about, and they had no idea about the old part numbers. So yeah, we're nearly all done. It's taken a bit. Hold on. Go look at something else. Right, here it is. Cab's off the truck. Yeah, done. Yeah. Still got this little forklift loop on the roof. That's our last bit of wood to burn. So yeah. Thursday's jobs. Strip the chassis. Get it going to scrap. So that's tomorrow's job. Cut up with the plasma. Take all the good shit off I need, and then get it ready to go on to the other one. So yeah. Thanks for all the time and watching what we've been doing. Hopefully some people will take a little bit of note. The only guys I've ever really been ripped off by, in the way of they gain and it costs me time, money and energy, seems to be older guys. And there's no shortage of them, so you know what? Sometimes you gotta be careful who you give your money to. Just because they smile doesn't mean that they've got your best interests at heart either. Thanks guys.